Hello, today I'm going to talk about the new 3DS XL. It is a portable Nintendo system that launched in 2015. And this new 3DS has a galaxy design, which is really cool, and it's on top of the system. As you can see, it kind of looks like you're in outer space. That's the galaxy design. And my boyfriend and I both use this, but I definitely use it a lot more. He actually gave it to me as a gift about a year ago when my original 3DS died. And Nintendo over time has been making a lot of these devices. The original 3DS, the one that came before this one, has a lot of the same features, but they just basically rearranged a lot of things. And I really like to use this on my commutes, like if I'm in the subway and I, didn't bring a book and I'm bored. I ride the subway a lot and I travel a lot, and it's just a great gizmo, handheld device to use in that time. And I had my original 3DS for a really long time, and this one I've had for about a year. It's similar to the original 3DS. It comes with a faster processor though, so games upload a lot faster. And it also has face tracking, so when you turn on the 3D option, the image stays consistent and you don't have to hold it at a certain angle to enjoy the 3D option. And it also comes with additional shoulder buttons, which are right here. And those add more access to the device's options. And then a pointer stick right here. Now, the other one had one, but this is in a different location. And I like this location better because when I open it up, I can easily just slide it in and out and access it. The other one was on the side of the device, and it made things a little more tricky. Up here, it is just 3D screen, and down here is the touchpad. And if I want to turn it on, I can press the little on button. It's quite small here. Let me see. Yes. Yeah. Something I would definitely complain about is how small that is, but you get the hang of it after a while. So here it is. It turns on, and as you can see, you can kind of use this, or you can use your fingers to do stuff on it. And the buttons all are touch screen, you can use your fingers to do that, or the pointer stick. So I can also use this to navigate. These are just some games that it kind of comes with. And you can also listen to music, and then you can also take video. So like the 3DS, it has front and rear cameras. So here, and then you have these two. Now what's nice is it has two cameras in the front because it allows you to take 3D pictures, which is really cool. And the top screen is 3D and the bottom is a touch screen. So when you take 3D pictures, you can, easily see them here. And that's, kind of how you navigate. It has a 3D slider, so you can adjust the amount of 3D that you want. And that's a whole different story, so I'm not going to really get into all the camera options. This is a device mainly used to play video games. At least that's how I use it. I wouldn't say the picture quality is fantastic. I definitely wouldn't use it as an everyday photo device or camera. That's just not what I use it for. I also don't usually use the other features. I just use it to play games. And it has a 3D pedometer. So it has a pedometer for certain games, and you can collect play coins. And it also has wireless connectivity, so you can play with another person nearby. I have not tried that yet, so I can't say how much I like that. But it's definitely something that I want to try in the future. And you can also connect to Wi-Fi, and you can play with someone online. So if you like MMORPGs like I do, then you probably would want to try this thing out. And it's really nice, compact design, has 1 inch in depth. It is roughly like 6.5 inches in length, and it easily fits into a pocket or a bag for traveling, so it's just really easy to fold up and take away. And it does have sound. You can actually adjust the volume down here, turn it on or off. So certain games obviously vary in the amount of sound that they have. And this is the 3D slider, so I don't know, you can't really see it with the icons, but that's kind of right here. And these two buttons are new addition. The original didn't have it, but then you have the regular left and right buttons here, and those also activate the camera if I press them both at the same time. You can add your friends because there's that online connectivity with your friends, and there is a built-in battery that can last about 4 to 8 hours depending on the amount of 3D you use. So obviously the more you take advantage of those advanced features, the more it's going to drain your battery. And I usually don't use it that much. It's just a fun addition in my opinion, and I don't take it that seriously. It's pretty durable, but you can actually purchase cases to further protect it. I don't, obviously, and I am such a fan of the design. I don't know why, but I just love purple and I love stars. You can take it on the plane, on the train, anywhere you want. It's just this portable gaming device. And it's already assembled when you get it, but unfortunately this one, it doesn't come with an AC adapter, which you need to charge the system. So you have to kind of get that separately. And that, you know, that kind of rubbed me the wrong way, but it is what it is. It is definitely a great gift for someone who travels a lot and someone who likes gaming, especially who is partial to Nintendo. They do make different versions, different models, but I have definitely I use this so often and I love this. This is the box it came in here, so it's the new Galaxy style here, and then it comes with this little notebook, and it kind of goes into features and memory storage and SD cards and all that and other things. And then this right here it comes with this as well, and I haven't even opened that yet. So thank you so much for watching this video. Nintendo is such a great company, and I would definitely check out their other products. They also make some great games, and they also make the Nintendo Switch and all of that. And their products,